contracts. Now, what are e-contracts? They are legally enforceable agreement as defined under Section 2H of the Indian Contract Act 1872. In simple words, it is an agreement that gives rise to a legal obligation to perform an act as promised by the promisor in return of the consideration that is being provided to him by the promisee. An electronic contract, commonly referred to as an e-contract, is legally enforceable according to the IT Act. Section 10A of the IT Act states that if the communication, acceptance, or revocation of the proposals is expressed in electronic forms or by means of any other electronic record, then such contract is deemed to be enforceable. Now, what are its essentials? Offer, acceptance, presence of lawful object, presence of lawful consideration. Parties to the contract must be competent. Parties must have entered into the contract by their free consent. Now, what are the types of e-contracts? Shrink wrap contracts, click wrap contracts, and browse wrap contracts. Now, what is shrink wrap contracts? In this contract, a person is said to have agreed to the terms and conditions of the agreement once he or she makes a purchase of certain product or software. These agreements are based on simple idea that one certain product that was packed or wrapped is opened, acceptance of the terms of conditions is marked. Now, click wrap products. According to this, a person is said to have given acceptance or approval by accepting just by a click. For example, the use of websites such as LinkedIn, Facebook, Alpanic, Clap. Browse wrap contracts. They are the license contracts that provided by a website or web interference wherein a hyperlink when double click takes the user to a web page containing the terms and conditions of the particular application. For example, Amazon and Netflix. Now, what is the accommodation of e-contracts in Indian law? The validity and enforceability of e-contracts were discussed in the Tamil Nadu Organics Private Limited versus State Bank of India 2019. The Madras High Court in this case held that e-contracts are enforceable under law and contractual obligations shall arise from the